Yard Style Live.
Yeah, man. I know we used to do all that Mataran, like all that mixing. So like Mataran used to voice him dub them, pull up at Super, yo mix a dub here. So literally, my intuition for mixing dub plates is from all of that.
It was always on
Mataran
point.
teach me.
Yeah, man.
I mean, I was already mixing my dubs, you know. But when Mataran forward now, he's like, yo, mix that sizzle here, mix that bunty here, mix that cartel here, mix that big song, you understand? Mix that collab here. And he's like, yo, drop out the rhythm here, so. Drop out the rhythm again now. That's where we get, we start learning little
So
things,
most of them
some
big
different
songs,
style
so most
now.
of them big songs, most of them big dub, like all the
Yeah, Mataran not every
yeah,
dub.
yeah.
So,
No, those are the ones that you mix, like all of the legendary ones. Them. Most
me
of
and
them.
Kareem,
yeah, and Kareem,
like,
oh.
so Mataran was like, if Mataran can't get Super,
Yeah, same go
he
for
got up for
Kareem.
Kareem. And if he can't get Kareem, he got on a Super.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yard Style Live.